Moon hanging crooked over silicone fields, old earth humming beneath carbon wheels, tech rider rolling through radioactive rain, dashboard glowing like a fever dream brain. And the forest spoke first, not with words, with roots, mold, pollen, and storms, with black rivers twisting through rusted farms. Tech rider lit another cigarette slow, watch neon lightning crawl below, machine heart ticking in a chest of chrome, still sounding lonesome, almost home. The tree said you built too fast. The satellites answered, you remember, too slow. Cicada screaming through fiber lines, swamp fog whipped around power signs. Somewhere a server farm breathed hot and wide like a sleepless beast all night. Dialogue of nature on Tech Rider Road. One side roots, one side code, one side thunder, one side scream. Both haunted by what humans mean to be landed soft on a metal hand. Tiny ambassador from the living land, and the machine stayed still a while, like it almost understood the style. Came carrying desert dust, whispering, all systems return to rust. But the vines kept climbing antenna towers, flowers blooming through data showers. Nature never hated the wire, she just waits beyond the fire. Days, billboards dead, malls gone black, only stars and engine cracking. Somewhere deep beneath the road, the roots still trading secret codes, while above them satellites roam, both searching for a way back home.